Welcome back to our YouTube channel. To effectively learn coding with the help of AI, it's important to integrate strategic learning methods, leverage the right tools, and adopt a practical, hands-on approach. Below is a detailed guide to mastering coding efficiently with AI assistance. Why learn coding with AI? AI tools can significantly accelerate the learning process by providing personalized guidance, instant feedback, and access to an extensive pool of resources. They eliminate common barriers such as difficulty understanding concepts, slow debugging, or lack of access to mentors. AI tools can adapt to your pace, correct mistakes in real time, and suggest improvements that align with best practices. Step 1. Set clear goals before diving into coding. Define your objectives. Why do you want to code? E.g., build apps, explore AI, ML, automate tasks. Which languages are most relevant? E.g., Python for AI, JavaScript for web development, C++ for performance-critical apps. What is your ultimate goal? E.g., securing a job, launching a project, contributing to open source. These goals will help you focus your efforts and choose appropriate resources. Step 2. Leverage AI-powered learning platforms. AI tools and platforms can guide you step by step. 1. Interactive coding platforms. Codecademy offers hands-on practice and AI-generated hints. LeetCode and HackerRank focus on coding challenges with AI solutions. Replit provides collaborative coding environments enhanced with AI tools. 2. AI tutors, ChatGPT or Codex, ask questions about syntax, debugging, or concepts in real time. Khan Academy's AI tutor guides learning in Python and other subjects interactively. 3. AI-powered integrated development environments, IDEs, GitHub Copilot, suggests code snippets and explains logic. Tab 9 uses AI to auto-complete your code intelligently. 4. AI-based debugging tools, DeepCode or SNYK, detect errors, recommend fixes, and explain vulnerabilities in your code. Step 3. Learn by doing. The fastest way to learn coding is by building projects. I can act as a coding assistant throughout this process. Start small, build simple programs like a calculator, a to-do list, or a basic website. Use AI tools to suggest best practices and provide templates. Progress to real-world projects. Build a portfolio by creating projects such as e-commerce websites, leveraging JavaScript frameworks. Data analysis pipelines using Python. Chatbots or automation scripts. AI tools like GitHub Copilot can assist by writing boilerplate code, suggesting libraries and frameworks, guiding you through complex algorithms. Step 4. Focus on key concepts. To code effectively, you need a strong foundation in key programming concepts. 1. Syntax and semantics. Use AI to generate code examples in your chosen language. Experiment with variations to understand nuances. 2. Data structures and algorithms. Use platforms like LeetCode or AlgoExpert for problem solving. Ask AI tutors for step-by-step explanations of algorithms. 3. Debugging and optimization. Rely on AI tools to pinpoint errors and inefficiencies. Practice interpreting error messages and logs. 4. Version control. Learn Git and GitHub for collaborative development. Use AI tools for automated merge conflict resolution. Step 5. Personalize your learning path. AI excels at tailoring learning paths to individual needs. 1. Adaptive learning platforms. Platforms like Newton and Dreambox adapt content based on your progress. 2. Customized feedback. AI can evaluate your code and suggest improvements instantly. 3. Skill assessment. AI tools can identify gaps in your knowledge and suggest topics to review. Step 6. Collaborate and learn from others. Coding is often a collaborative process. AI can enhance your learning in group settings. 1. Collaborative coding. Platforms like Replit allow you to code with peers and integrate AI for suggestions. 2. Code review. Use AI tools to provide feedback on your collaborators' code and vice versa. 3. Community engagement. Join communities on GitHub, Reddit, or Discord. Use AI to help navigate and participate in discussions. Step 7. Embrace continuous learning. Coding is a dynamic field, and staying updated is essential. AI tools can help. 1. Track trends. Use AI to identify new frameworks, languages, and best practices. 2. Learn new paradigms. Explore functional programming, concurrent programming, or other paradigms using AI tutors. 3. Experiment with emerging tech. Dive into AI, ML, blockchain, or quantum computing with specialized AI tools. Step 8. Overcome challenges. AI can help you tackle common learning challenges. 1. Lack of confidence. Use AI-generated quizzes and mini-projects to validate your skills. 2. Debugging hurdles. Let AI debugging tools analyze your code and explain errors. 3. Time management. Create structured study plans with AI scheduling tools. Step 9. Evaluate progress. Set milestones to evaluate your progress. 1. Test your knowledge. Use AI to create mock exams or simulate interviews. 2. Portfolio review. Have AI assess your code quality and highlight areas for improvement. Conclusion. AI can revolutionize how you learn coding by making it more efficient, accessible, and personalized. By leveraging AI tools, focusing on practical projects, and continuously improving your skills, you can become a proficient programmer in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional methods. Remember, consistency and curiosity are key to success. Dive in, experiment, and let AI guide your journey toward